Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Joshi and today in this video I am going to cover Docker and its implementation. This video is a part of my cloud computing assignment under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Shrivastava sir. So what is Docker? Docker is a software platform that allow you to build, test and deploy application quickly. Docker packages software into standardized units called containers that have everything the software need to run including libraries, system tools, code and runtime. Let's take an example. If I have to run two different projects which have a dependency that one of them should be run in Python 3.7 and other one is should be run in Python 3.11. Let's say. So Docker can help in containerize this different projects. So why use Docker? Docker ships more software faster. It have standardized operations it have some standardized commands which can be run on terminal. It can be used in seamlessly move it can move from a very local PC to a supercomputer, and it saves money in the shipping process. So this is a Docker architecture. The base layer contains the infrastructure, which means it have the physical hardware and resources which we need to virtualize. Um, host OS manages this hardware, and after that there is the Docker engine which manages the containers and make such containers to run the applications along with their dependencies, libraries. These are three things which we need to understand before going on. So first one is Docker file contain all the command that a user can tell on the command line to assemble the image. Second one is Docker image is a template to create Docker container, and Docker container is a running instance of the Docker image. Container hold entire package to run application. So how do we install Docker in our PC? So you just need to go on the Google and then search for Docker install. Then you can see there is a website, official website of Docker. Here you can see your version and you can download from here. And after that you can install the Docker in your PC. Like I have already installed Docker desktop, which is and that's the UI of the Docker. I have some containers and yeah, that's some images. Uh, So we have to run the Docker in the terminal. Uh, the first one to check if the Docker is installed in your PC or not, you can check by Docker version. Like I have the version of 20.10.23. There is exists many commands like you can check Docker images. Images are those which we already installed in our PC. Like I have two images, open JDK and hello world. We can run the Docker hello world image, like Docker run hello world. It will run the hello world image. Yeah, you can see that hello from Docker, and that's some. Uh, so how can we pull the image into our PC? You can directly go to Docker Hub website where you can directly see your dependencies. Like I have pulled the OpenJDK dependency. You can use the command Docker pull OpenJDK or slash 11. I have already pulled, so I'm not going to enter in this command. Uh, we can execute more queries like docker run open jdk. Yeah, so it just run the shell, and we didn't see much of it. You can see the running containers also, like with the help of command docker ps. There is no running container now, so we can see previous run container like I run openjdk hello world. So yeah, uh, we can name a we can name a container also, like I have to name this docker run. We just need to copy the id of that, or maybe we can take the name also. So yeah, we can execute Java in this also, where we can run our Java code, like Java execute. We can name a container also, like first of all, I should have cleared the screen. Docker run name my Java, and after that the name of the JDK, like what minus IT and open JDK lab. Uh, there is an error. Um, ID open JDK. Yeah, so we named it right. Uh, After that, we can execute the Java by its name also. Like we can use the command execute. Um, the name of our Java, my Java one. After that, J shell. So our terminal is ready to run Java code. Like we can use Java code for printing hello, hel- hello world. So yeah, it is running. We can use 3 into 3 also. So it says 9. Yeah, so that's how we can use um, Docker to make containers are running. Like we can see, we have made two containers, my Java one and my Java. Uh, these two are running right now. We can remove them also. Like we can stop the containers also. They have a command called docker stop and the name my Java one. So that's how this is stopped. You can see that my Java is only one container is running. We can stop it also. Yeah, so we remove all the containers, and we can see now. So no container is running now. We can see old run containers also, like by using command minus a. Yeah. So my Java one, my Java, and there's hello world also. So yeah. So that's it for this video. Apart from this, there is a lot in the Docker. So thank you so much for watching.